Alright, so this is going to be a walkthrough for part 3, your student loan expenses. If you go here to this link, it'll take you to the different average salaries. So just for the purposes of the video, I'm going to select the humanities one at $38,000 and use that as my base salary for 2017. You need to select a couple of colleges that you would like to go to. So I'm just going to select a random college using the New York Times student loan calculator. So here I'm going to be using New York University, and these are the numbers I'm going to use inside of here. Alright, so these are the numbers for New York. One of the things I'm going to need you to do is you're going to pick the school you've been accepted to, or a school you anticipate being accepted to in the fall, or a school you're considering going to in 2 years. Now you need to select two schools. You don't have to do the third one, so you can leave this one blank. If you are deciding between 3 schools, I do recommend you fill in the last one so that you could take a look at the numbers. Some of the things to look at are going to be, does the school you're attending have a higher average debt than your projected first year starting salary? If so, which ones? So you might want to attend a school where more students leave with less debt. New York University, almost half the students that go there are going to leave with debt, and this is something again that you need to go and consider. Saying, I just want to go to San Jose State because it's close to home. Well, that's fine, but what happens if a lot of people who have the same mentality leave San Jose State with a lot of debt? So you might want to consider someplace like East Bay, Santa Cruz, Monterey Bay, something like that. So based on the student loan data, which colleges would you attend? Explain in 2 to 3 sentences. Again, this is your opinion, so you shouldn't necessarily share it with anyone else. Here you're going to be using some of the numbers for yourself. This is the average humanities salary, so it's there. This one is just taking $38,049 and dividing it by 12. And here is the average monthly payment that you're anticipated to pay. So this one goes here. And then what percent of your gross salary is your student loan payment? So this here, and I'll do the math in just a second. This is $38,049 divided by 12 equals roughly $3,171. And then what percent of your loan is your average take-home pay? So in this case, it would be your student loan payment, $312.38. divided by your monthly gross salary, which is $3,171, which is equal to 0.099, which is roughly equal to 9.90% of your take-home pay. One of the other things to think about is 10% of your check is going to go towards paying your student loan. But this does not include, so $318 a month doesn't include your rent. It doesn't include your car payment if you have one. It doesn't include your insurance payment if you have one. It doesn't include your health insurance if you have one. It doesn't include your light bill, your cable bill, your phone bill. It doesn't include your food. It doesn't include your entertainment. It doesn't include any clothing. So these are all things you need to factor in when you leave with debt. Are you going to have enough money per month to cover those expenses?